Yep, there you go. Keep the line tight. Make sure you keep that line tight, okay? I'm gonna grab the net. Just make sure you keep that line tight. Keep the rod tip up. If you can, put that down there so you get some leverage. See what I mean?
Oh, yeah.
Keep reeling. Make sure that rod's tight. All right. Just take it easy. You got him.
Can I try and net him?
Just make sure you keep that rod up. Just go easy on him. If he's fighting you, just let him fight. It ain't a race. We got him. He hit that one pretty good, didn't he?
Yeah, I did.
And he bent that rod over. Keep that rod up. Come down here closer to the water. Reel as you go. Make sure that line's always tight. It's a pretty nice one.
Oh, that's a big boy. I got five. Oh my god, that's
He's taking you for a ride, bud.
a huge fish.
Got him. Nice job, dudes.
Huge.
Woohoo! That's good.
It hurts so bad.
Why?
I don't know. That thing's fat. Yeah, we're taking this thing.
Here's a nice one.
He's a big one, boy. Isn't that a blue cat?
That's a blue cat. Should we weigh him?
Yeah. This is hard. I know.
It's a good hook.
I want to try that. I can't believe I netted him. Blah, blah, blah.
I'm gonna grab my glove. Make sure it doesn't go back in the water. How we doing?
He tried to make a break for it.
Yeah.
Yeah, he tried to race for it.
9.26 pounds. A little over a 9-pounder. Here, hold him. Get your picture.
I call him.
Here, set him back down for a second. But there you go. Nice. Want to get him back?
Yeah. So they have like spines on them that'll like hurt.
There he goes. Thanks for the fight, buddy. He's out there swimming away.
You can see his tail.
Back to the depths.
You can still see his tail.
Good catch, man. Let's get another one. Actually, get a little better.
I like these rod holders.
Mm-hmm. Not too bad. All right. We got one on the board. Fish on. We got one. I'll reel this one in. He was just kind of nibbling it. Well, they should have been over here if they want to reel one in. Yeah, he didn't hit it very hard. Cool. That's a channel catfish. It's a pretty nice one, nice channel, really. He might be a fish Ohio. I think that scale's got a tape measure on it, I thought. Yeah. Yeah. He's close. 26 is fish Ohio. So he's
25 and a half, probably.
You can weigh him, but he'll be less than what you caught. About 6.5, almost 7. A pretty nice channel cat. We'll take it. I think when the water's cold, your bait stays like fresher longer. That seems pretty good still. Woo! Almost had a little backlash. Hang on. Colton's got this one. I'll grab that net, big dog. This could be a good fish here. He's pulling drag. Just take your time. Make sure you keep that line tight at all times, okay? Let me see the net, buddy.
No, I want a net hound.
Come on, net this one. Let's see what he looks like. Keep that line tight. This could be a good one here. This one's...
Watch out, Carson.
Yeah, Carson, back up, please. Watch the rod holder behind you. Just take your time. Just take your time. It's okay. No, just wait a second. Back up. Watch this rod. Watch the line. Whoa, that's a nice one. Look at that hog. What do you think?
That was fun.
That'll probably be close to 20 pounds.
I want to reel in the next fish. He almost yanked me in the leg there for a second.
Yeah. We need to tighten up our rod holders. He about took that one in the water.
He almost took me in the water.
What's your guess?
15.
Go ahead and put that back in.
I'm guessing like 12 or 13, something like that. I'm guessing 16. I'm guessing 16, 17.
I'm saying. Oh God.
I'm saying he's going
Get down
to
there.
the lake.
Don't let him go.
I say go going in the lake.
He's trying.
I say 17 or 16.
I say 19. That's a pretty nice fish.
I'd say at least. I say 18 or 19.
That's a 16 and a half.
I said 16 or 17.
You're still, buddy.
Can we keep that one?
Yeah, we'll call him 17.
Is that a blue cat?
Yeah. Man, he's rolling. Look at that.
That's the biggest catfish.
Here, go up here and hold him, Colton.
The biggest fish I ever seen.
This is the biggest fish I've ever seen in person.
Get in there, boys. Turn him sideways. There you go. Nice. All right, let's get him back in there.
Bye-bye, big old catfish. Can I go feed him?
There he goes. Fish number 3.
What you got? 3? Yeah.
Yeah, you were over there playing around. We caught another one. I reeled him in.
That's the biggest fish I've ever seen.
How's it going, dude? Good catch.
I want to read another one.
Okay.